Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to pay with Crypto.com card. This tutorial is designed to walk you through the process step by step, providing you with a clear understanding of how to use your Crypto.com card for payments. First, ensure you have a Crypto.com account and a Crypto.com card, which can be ordered through the Crypto.com app. Once you have received your card, activate it by following the in-app instructions. This will involve setting a PIN and verifying your card details. Next, familiarize yourself with the Crypto.com app, which is where you will manage your card and track your transactions. The app allows you to view your card balance, transaction history, and rewards. You can also use the app to freeze your card if it is lost or stolen. To pay with your Crypto.com card, simply use it as you would any other credit or debit card. You can use it online or in store, and it is accepted by millions of merchants worldwide. When making a purchase, select the credit card payment option and enter your card details. You will need to provide your card number, expiration date, and security code. When using your Crypto.com card, keep in mind that you are spending the cryptocurrency linked to your card, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. The conversion from cryptocurrency to fiat currency happens in real time, so you do not need to worry about exchange rates. One of the benefits of using the Crypto.com card is the rewards program, which offers cashback and other rewards on certain purchases. The rewards are paid in cryptocurrency and can be tracked through the app. To get the most out of your Crypto.com card, it is essential to understand the fees associated with using it. There are no monthly or annual fees, but you may be charged a small fee for certain transactions, such as foreign exchange or ATM withdrawals. In conclusion, paying with your Crypto.com card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following this guide and understanding how to use your card, you can start making payments with cryptocurrency today. Remember to always keep your card and account information secure, and take advantage of the rewards program to get the most out of your Crypto.com card.